In this video, I'm going to give you 3 reasons why CRO will blow up and why you should be adding this to your portfolio to make more money. For those of you that are new to the channel, my name is Ben. I've made over 6 figures trading crypto. I'm a full-time trader and I want to teach you guys everything that I know. Let's go. So first thing about CRO is that they're reaching more and more people. In September of 2019, they just barely hit 1 million users for their platform. And then about a year later in October, they hit 5 million users. And then just 4 months later, so in February of this year, they hit over 10 million users. So their platform is growing crazy fast. So something huge that just happened for Crypto.com is they signed a deal with UFC for 10 years for $175 million partnership. Now, I'm on this article for UFC and Crypto.com when they announced the partnership. And one of the things that the UFC president, Dana White, said is, no company has done more to grow the popularity of combat sports than UFC, and now we're one of the biggest sports brands on the planet. We can help Crypto.com reach more people around the world through the strength of our brand. This is insanely good news for the brand because they're going to have the partnership of UFC, which is very good at branding and reaching out to more and more people, and that's going to help Crypto.com grow as well. Now, the next thing I want to talk about is Crypto.com. We're going to be looking at their July 2021 update. So it's crazy because there's so many things that they update every single month. So we're here on this article and we're just going to be scrolling through and briefly reading some of these. So the UFC partnership, all these different things, 17 new cryptocurrencies for card top-ups, increased rates for DOT on Crypto Earn. So that's something I'll be talking about later in the video. You can earn up to 12.5% on staking your Polkadot. NFT updates, trading competition, credit and debit card top-ups now available. List 8 new tokens, more trading pairs, and it just goes on and on. There's so many new things that they do. So this makes me super bullish long-term in the team, in the project, because I know they're going to keep working hard on improving and more people will be coming to Crypto.com. The next reason why CRO is going to blow up is because their staking rewards are so good. So when we look at average bank staking reward, so I looked it up, it's about 0.03%, and then it's about 0.06% for average savings account. So save $1,000 for a year at 0.01% APY, and you'll end up with $1,000.10. If you put the same $1,000 in a high yield savings account, you could earn about $5 after a year. Most of the coins on Crypto.com, you can earn at least 3% for staking them, but then we have some like Bitcoin that you can earn up to 6.5%, Ethereum that you can earn up to 6.5%, Matic that you can earn up to 12%, Polkadot you can earn up to 12.5%, and CRO you can earn up to 10% or more. Okay, so here we are on Crypto.com. We're on the exchange and I'm just scrolling through. And so the way to get to the Crypto Earn is you can click the middle button and it has all these things. So it has your crypto wallet, you can track other coins, fiat wallet, you can check your debit card, which we'll talk about a little bit later, and the Earn tab. So we want to be looking at the Earn tab. So here you can see I have almost a whole Bitcoin that I'm staking for a 1-month term, ends in 11 days, and I'm earning 4.5% on it. And then I have a 3-month term with crypto CRO tokens that are earning about 6%. And then I have another 3-month term for Polkadot that is earning 12.5%. Now on the Bitcoin, you can click on it and you can see how much you've earned so far. So about each week I get paid out in 0.00078 Bitcoin, which is about $30. And so I've gotten that twice. And then my total earnings is about 0.002, which is about roughly $80. And then if we look at Crypto.com, I'm earning about 36 tokens every week, which is about $5. And so the total I've earned is 162 CRO so far. And then Polkadot, so I earned 0.167 every week, which is about $3 or so. And then I've earned about 0.5 DOT so far, and that's about $10. And now if you want to add, so on the exchange, all you have to do is you hit the plus button to add a new coin, and then you can look through all of them. And one of the coolest features, in my opinion, is you can stake stable coins for these crazy good returns. Whereas you can put money in a bank and hold it for 0.01% or 0.06%, or you can stake just USDC which is a stable coin, and you can earn up to 12% per year. And so let's just say you had $1,000, you can earn $120 just from holding that on this and staking it. And now there's flexible options. There's 1 month term and 3 month term. If you were to do flexible, you can withdraw at any time and you'll earn 8%. So you can leave it in for however long, and that's a good option for when you're wanting to keep trading and stuff. So flexible is a good option when you want to be making trades and you want to have that ability when the coin goes up 20% or 30%, and you can make some trades here and there. And if you're confident in holding this longer term and you want to lock it up for 1 month or 3 months, you can get those higher returns. So you can see you can earn all these different percentages. So Bitcoin, you can earn up to 6.5% for 3 months. Ethereum, you can earn up to 6.5%. Ethereum has really good rates, even 4.5% as flexible. And then Polkadot is the new one that they increased. So you can see you can earn 12.5%. And another cool one is Matic. You can earn a lot on Matic as well. You can earn up to 12% on Matic. And then some of the other ones are just 1 or 2 or 3%. So like Chainlink, 1 or 2 or 3%, which is still pretty good, but they have so many different coins. So recently they increased a couple of those percentages, like Polkadot, they increased the amount that you earn. Also, Bitcoin used to be only up to 5.5%, and now it's up to 6.5%. And same with Ethereum, it was only 5.5%. And now it's also 6.5%. So I believe more and more people will be turning to crypto.com to stake their coins and to get those passive income rewards. And now the last thing is, if you believe in crypto and the future of it, you need to get one of these crypto debit cards. So I made a whole video talking about these, but this is honestly the best decision of my life when I got one of these. So for having the Royal Indigo card, which is the one I have, I get even better staking rewards for the Crypto Earn program. So when I originally got into crypto.com, it was in December of 2020, and the price of the coin was at like 5 to 6 cents, and it was had gone down quite a bit from its all-time highs in August of about 17 cents. And I thought it was a great opportunity to buy because I always wanted to get one, but I was waiting for a better entry. So no one was really talking about it, and it wasn't as crazy hyped up as it was before. And so I thought it was the perfect time to be buying, which it ended up being like the best time to be buying. And I was just accumulating, and I wish that I threw in more because I was like so confident in it that from other trades and stuff, I was just adding to my CRO portfolio, and that paid off big time because when they made the change in February, for now you don't have to have a certain amount of coins to get the cards, but now it's just a dollar amount. That made the coin go up almost triple or quadruple within a couple days. So when I was making purchases when the price of the coin was at like 5 or 6 cents, then all of those rewards that I got were now increased in value as well. So when it went up to 24 cents or so, instead of earning 3% on my purchases, which now it's at about 12 cents, so it would only be about 6%, but I'm so confident that this could easily be over $1. So any purchases that I'm making now will potentially be 8 times higher than they are right now. So instead of earning 3% on the purchases that I'm making right now, it'd be like I earned 24% on all the purchases I'm making. And also the perks are incredible for their card. If you use Spotify all the time, you should definitely get the Ruby Red card because it'll save you like $150 a year just for using that card. And you'll earn 2% on all purchases. And all you have to do is put $400 into the CRO token. And if you're interested in that, use my link down below. That will help out this channel and show your support. I would really appreciate it if you use my link to sign up for one of those cards, because we'll both get a $25 bonus once you get a Ruby Red card. So in conclusion, we went over the 3 reasons why CRO is going to blow up soon. So the first thing is that they're reaching more and more people. The company is just expanding like crazy, and now this partnership with UFC is going to help them expand even more and more quick. And also that they were able to accomplish so many things just this last month, and that they're working so hard to move on and accomplish more and more each month. The next thing that we talked about is the Crypto Earn program and how it's so much better than leaving your money in a bank. You can even put it in USDC, which is a stable coin, and earn up to 12% or even 8% if you want to just leave it as flexible versus 0.25% in a bank. And we talked about how they've increased some of those percentages recently, and I talked about the ones that I'm staking on there: Bitcoin, Polkadot, and CRO. And the last thing we talked about is if you believe in crypto, that crypto's the future, you need to get one of these crypto debit cards. And I talked about the perks with them, and that if you're using Spotify all the time, you should at least get the Ruby Red card just to get that Spotify reimbursement. I'm so bullish on CRO and the future of it. I'm so happy to see it growing and the potential that it has. I know it's going to be going places. And make sure to leave a like down on this video. We're still shooting for our 75 likes for 75 push-ups. Thank you so much for watching this video. And remember, as always, keep it in the green.